Please subscribe and ring the bell to never miss an update. I'm out mailing some Christmas gifts and Goodwill is right next door, so why not? Come along with me, let's go inside and see if there are any last minute holiday gifts that we can find or some other bargains we could use for a tabletop. The Christmas tree pillar candle holders and hurricane are quite a deal. These mosaics are lovely. From Two's Company, that's definitely a brand I recognize. And all Christmas is half off. So the hurricane would be $4. What a deal. You could break these up and then you've got 4 different gifts. This candle caught my eye. It looks to be hand carved and hand painted. You wouldn't even want to burn it. It's so nice. And $1 with a Christmas deal. So lovely. And this metal dish caught my eye. It's from India Handicrafts. So for $2, you could put some sweets on that, wrap it up, give it as a gift. And don't forget about toys at Goodwill. Little kids don't really need things to come in a box. Such excitement Christmas morning to see a John Deere. And the dollhouse. This is a dream. I would have definitely wanted this when I was a kid. The little people are sleeping. $19.99. Make someone's dream come true Christmas morning. Look, there's another toy boxed up, brand new. I tell you, it's the way to shop for kids. Teacups and saucers for $1. You could have 2 special ones. This cutout Christmas tree is nice, and look at the tree house for $12.99. That is the most interesting toy I've ever seen. So many possibilities with this. Lots of adventure awaits. And look, underneath there's a hideout. Such fun. I like to look in the glass cases. These are not usually locked. They tend to keep their best items here, although I do find hidden gems. And Christmas is first and foremost right now. It is the season. The tins are great for homemade cookies. Look, there's a gift ready to gift in a box. What a deal. So that would be $2.50. And yes, Santa, please stop here. I hope he comes to my house this year. Isn't that a fun yard sign? And look, we have a white Christmas tree. Garfield doesn't look very enthused. Let's see what all we have here. Lots of little things you just have to look through. Here are some shatterproof ornaments. Great for the sugar plum fairy tree. And at half price, that would be $5. And these are jumbo size. That's really not a bad price. Lots of different things for 50 cents. Yes, I'm taking this home. You never know where you could tuck that just to add a little bit of Christmas. And the mesh ribbon, that's very popular. Brand new, never been opened. This for $1.50. Yes, that's going home with me. Put a tea light candle in it. You could gift it. You don't need a box. And the snow woman is fashionable in her leopard dress. I like her. Another great gift for $1, ceramic salt and pepper shakers. And this little guy for $1, you could put candies in that. A hand-painted glass ornament, again, $1 deal. And the mugs at half price, $6. It's not bad. You could fill homemade hot cocoa in a cello bag and put it inside the mug for gifting. Oh, here's another item new in a box for $1.50. That's great. Imagine some pretty paper and ribbon and the excitement of opening that. This is the same item, just without the box, and it's $1. So pretty. And the bowls for $1.50, you could split those up and 75 cents a piece. Santa is watching over the valuables. Here we've got a wine opener and some crystal, a knife block. And the Grinch is trying to do something to Santa's little helper. He's up to no good. How cute. For $16, that's a deal. This angel caught my eye. It is Mikasa crystal, made in Germany. It's lovely, especially at half price. That's a Dillard's return sticker I recognize. It's $40. Definitely taking that home. It looks like Donner, or is it Blitzen? That could be a planter. Oh, the vase is so pretty. Isn't this festive? That could be a vase or a hurricane for $1.50. And holiday glasses. These look to be hand painted. Those are nice. This is just waiting to be put under the tree. Wrap it up in some gold paper, red ribbon. It's so useful for desserts to really showcase something. Oh, I like the Rudolph art. That's gonna go home with me for sure. That's fun. And such Christmas spirit today at Goodwill. A box of 12 wine glasses from Libby. That could either be a DIY project or give it as is. I like that. You could even personalize it and give it to 12 people. Oh, that's not Mikasa, but these are vintage Christmas glasses. Oh, that would be so pretty Christmas morning with orange juice. I really like these. And the angel plate. I really love angels. And for $1, Cotton Colors. That's the company that makes the Happy Everything line that I collect. I've not seen this exact plate before, but I bought the same size with a nutcracker and it was $35. This is a punch bowl pedestal. I think they don't know what it is. And look, there's a little holiday container. A white bisque musical angel. Isn't she sweet? A punch bowl, perfect, even with Christmas colors on the box. That would be a good gift for someone that has lots of events and parties.
Definitely in the Christmas spirit today at Goodwill for some last-minute holiday shopping. This Mikasa Crystal Angel was $6.50. It was half price. It still has the tag from Dillard's for $40, so what a deal. I could easily wrap this, put a bow on it, and give it as a gift. Got some other great Christmas items as well. Thanks again for joining Lady Mary Beth. Elevate your everyday with holiday bargain shopping. Thanks for joining Lady Mary Beth. Please hit like and subscribe. I hope to see you next time for more lifestyle tips.